And if you let me, I will spend the rest of my life trying to make you feel the same way. So, Manasi Gosharkar, will you marry me?
Hi you guys, welcome to another episode of More Mau, and the episode that you guys have been waiting for so many years. It's the proposal vlog. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying this out loud without any hesitation, without any hints here and there. I'm publicly coming out and saying this, that I said yes. He proposed on the Japan trip. It happened quite a few days ago, but I'm finally ready to share it with you guys right now. I have edited this video myself because I just wanted to, because I wanted to see all the clips, because मुझे भी नहीं पता था whatever he has vlogged. By the way, Sahil has single-handedly done a fabulous job in vlogging everything, so you will see more of him than me. But the video is so raw. I have kept it as raw as possible, and the emotions and everything, and I'm so happy to share it with my Mau fam. I know you guys have been waiting for this moment for a very long time. I'm not gonna make you guys wait any longer, so without further ado, let's get started.
So today is the day where I'm telling her the country that we're visiting. I've already told her कि come with your passport and just 2 pictures, so she knows कि हम कहीं जा रहे हैं. But she's not aware of anything happening with a proposal or anything like that. And the country she still doesn't know. But I'm gonna tell her in the car, we're gonna vlog it. And I hope that she'll be surprised. Here she is, I think jet lagged है थोड़ी लड़की.
Hi guys, it's take 2 of this clip because हमने shoot किया but पूरी हवा आ रही थी, and Sahil did not tell me that we are vlogging today. Just for the context, I've landed in India yesterday. मैं US से 1 महीना रह के कल आई हूँ और मैं पूरी jet lagged हूँ. I cannot stop looking at the pimple eyes. Just to, yeah, we are twinning.
And ever since I've told her कि we are going on an international trip, so she's been trying to guess different countries की कहाँ लेके जा सकते हैं.
Yeah, Didi and I were like जासूस बन के हम लोग ये सब कर रहे थे.
And I'm very happy कि अब तक तो उसने वो guess नहीं किया है. I was saying कि you have to work hard to get the country out of it. So the idea is कि I'm gonna take you down to our memory lane कि हमारा इतने साल से हम साथ में हैं. So I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions, and अगर
Bro, if I won't be able to answer it,
तो it's your, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. If you answer the question right, so I will give you 1 letter of the word of the country. Which is the first date जब हम मिले थे. Not obviously the college, we are not counting कि हम fashion shows में
यार नहीं याद है मेरे को.
But हम first time कब मिले थे? जो first
We
time.
went, you took me out to a restaurant.
What is the date?
I don't
The
know.
first date. First date.
It was my parents' anniversary. I remember that. Around that. क्योंकि मैं
कब आना anniversary?
केक लेके गई थी मॉम डैड के लिए उसके बाद. और after I met 5th April, 4th April, 5th April.
5th April.
Yeah.
2018.
2018, हाँ 2018, yeah.
Shivash, सही जवाब. So yeah, the first letter is
5th April.
वाह.
Sorry.
First letter is A.
Amsterdam.
एक letter है A. ठीक है. So the next question. Not now, but what was our go-to place to eat, like a date place or a
Stacks and Racks.
And what was our usual order? What?
So I used to order mac and cheese, and you used to order the हम दोनों खाते थे वो chicken sticks. I forgot the name of that. Chicken sticks. Strips.
The other letter is also
A.
Third question. What is our favorite picture? I don't know if it's yours, but मेरा वो अपना एक favorite picture है. So
Yeah, I know.
Which one?
It was, I don't know whose birthday. It was a birthday party
Yeah.
अपने friends group में.
Correct.
मैंने
हाँ,
yellow
कहीं
shorts
तो गए
पहना
थे.
है
Yeah.
और white tank top पहना है. तूने white shirt पहना है और नीचे blue checkered.
ये तो मुझे भी याद नहीं था, but
Pants
I had also written white and yellow. Good memory.
And I don't like that picture, so I very well remember this, that you like this picture. Give me 1 more letter, chal.
ठीक है. The 1 more letter is N.
Okay, we have reached the place, and अभी तू मुझे और कितने दे रहा है guesses?
3 letters हो गए हैं ना?
A
A.
N. तू नासा लेके जा रहा है ना मेरे को.
हाँ, NA. अभी S आएगा next letter, बराबर है. What is our first anniversary date place? मतलब हम 22nd October 2019 को हम कहाँ गए थे? Cafe.
नहीं.
G से चालू होता है वो कैफे.
Grandmama's.
Yeah.
Oh, it was K by Katrina's event.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true. तूने मतलब थोड़ा tough था
तूने
तो
मेरे को
मैं
दिया but hint.
हाँ
Otherwise मेरे को
tough
नहीं
था
आता
but
ये.
मैं letter दे देता हूँ because it was tough. I knew the question was tough. So the next letter is
याद है?
कौन सा दो?
क्या रो रहा है?
J.
J.
Yeah.
AANJ. Japan?
Yeah. Went to the visa center and we have gotten our visas. I have gotten a 3-month printed visa and Manasi को जापान ने 5 years दिया है. Maybe because she has an active US visa. I have not checked in since a long time. A lot of things are going on. That is why. One is कि this is very cut to cut. We are supposed to leave like tomorrow and we've still not booked the tickets yet. The stay and everything has been sorted. But हमने tickets we wanted to wait it out for the visa because obviously it's a big risk to put that much amount there. So that was our main thing. And plus like the reason this all is happening it's because of me. Like I got a little late in planning, otherwise I definitely would have done, I think I mentioned in the previous clips also, I definitely would have done this in July. And it was again a very panic situation कि आज भी आएगा या नहीं. So it's I think around 4 p.m. and I've come and collected, so right away we are gonna book the tickets. I was this close to cancelling the trip to be honest, and you know, break her heart ki maybe we're not going out. In my family there was a family member that passed away. My parents also supported ki nahi, you have planned everything has been done, so you go. It should not be an issue. So here we are, we've collected our visas and but that's all I hope, because trust me, planning this proposal, like getting late, visa issues, this family thing, multiple other things that have happened. Like I told you, my initial plan was to do it somewhere else. Trust me, she's been an entire support system for me. So yeah, we're just now a bit low, but again we'll try to get that back up ki we're going, and it's a beautiful country. Yeah, we're just gonna book all the tickets and everything, and then next check-in we do is might be at the airport or something.
The next day.
So it's D-Day, ring liya, suit liya and everything. This is the first time that me and Manasi are going to the airport alag se, matlab she's going from her place, I'm going from my place, because hum dono mein like there's a east to west ka difference, so it either will waste ek jan ka for sure half an hour se 45 minutes ka time. So that's the reason we decided we'll directly meet each other at the airport. Like yesterday we just got news ki wahan pe there was an earthquake. It was very far, like down the south side of Japan, but that is the news that we got. This happens with her a lot कि आज ही she got chumps. मैंने एक inhaler तो मेरे pocket में रख ही लिया है, and that's always there in my bag, and I've gotten her a few chocolates. Gotten a hot water bag, not the electric one, because we don't know power plug होगा कि नहीं होगा. So I've gotten that hot water वाला. So in case अगर power plug नहीं है वहाँ पे तो we will get hot water from the air hostess and hot water bag बना लेंगे. She's here. Hi my friends. How are the chums? रुक मैं उठा रहा हूँ. दीवारा अशक सूर्य कान्हा उत्सरा स्थिर गंभीरा दीवारा. अभी हेट आएगा तो मैं गलत लिरिक्स गा रहा हूँ. लिरिक्स सॉरी गाइस, मेरे को नहीं पता असली लिरिक्स, बट आई लाइक दैट सॉन्ग. आई लाइक बाहुबली. दीवारा. This is what we do when the flight is 20 minutes delayed.
Understand the torture that I go through.
Divara. It's like someone is very excited to travel in premium economy.
For the first time.
8 hours later.
So many flights I have caught in the last 1.5 years, but not once have I missed my flight, and today they took off 2 hours late.
Already
हमने vlog किया था.
हाँ किया है.
So basically, clearly we have missed our flight, and it's not our fault. And we never miss our flights ever. Basically, flight was delayed by 2 hours. That is why हमारी flight miss हो चुकी है. And Cathay Pacific was nice enough and very prompt enough कि उनको मालूम था कि ये लोगों की flight delay होना, because a lot of people were there in our flight Hong Kong के जो काफ़ी अलग-अलग destinations पे जा रहे थे, सबका वाट लग चुका था. So what they did was दे आस्क्ड ईच एंड एवरीवन कि तुम्हारा क्या बोर्डिंग पास है दिखाओ नेक्स्ट का, एंड दे गेव अस अनदर बोर्डिंग पास बिकॉज दे हैव रीशेड्यूल्ड देयर फ्लाइट
So
बेसिकली.
basically they were so prompt कि they had prepared the boarding pass for the next
Already, yeah.
scheduled flight.
प्लस
हमारी तो मिस हो गई एंड रीशेड्यूल्ड फ्लाइट का उन्होंने बोर्डिंग पास हमको हाथ में ही दे दिया निकलते
दे गेव अस अ मील कूपन
या
because they felt bad for us apparently, so $75
Hong Kong.
तो
In
उसका
this-
हमने ये ले लिया है.
गिराना मत, फ्राइज भी है उसके साथ.
सो बेसिकली भगवान ने मेरे को थप्पड़ मार के सब कुछ दिया है, छप्पड़ फाड़ के नहीं,
But you haven't mentioned.
because we have been upgraded to business class.
It's the first time I think we're traveling.
Yeah, because
through
I think
business
हमने
class.
प्रीमियम इकोनॉमी लिया था by the way, that is why they must have upgraded us.
Yeah,
They
that is
wouldn't have
why.
upgraded.
One eternity later.
देखिए इनकी हालत. Day 1 periods.
Day
में-
2.
हाँ Day 2 periods, बट अपना ट्रिप का Day 1 और
Day 1 भी नहीं,
पूरा
रात
Day
हो गया
1
यार,
खत्म हो चुका है
हमारा waste हो
टेक्निकली.
गया
या
फ्लाइट की वजह
we were
से.
supposed to have at least half day, but
We
we
reached there at
couldn't.
7
7 where?
Airbnb पे.
कहाँ 7? अभी
कितने
कितना?
बजे आए?
अभी आए 1 घंटे पहले 8 बजे आए.
8 बजे.
हाँ.
I wanted to be like the person who saves money and I'm like no, we won't take a
Yeah.
cab, we'll go by train. And हमने इतना bags drag कर करके but we saved a lot of money because
हाँ,
the
we
cab
saved a
was
lot of money.
50,000 rupees INR. And
Yeah.
हमने 3,000 में सब कुछ कर लिया.
Yeah,
2 train
3000
change
INR में कर
करके.
लिया. We changed 2 lines. Was hassle, but ठीक है कर लिया.
बैग उठा के सारे तो बेचारे दोनों ने 2 सूटकेस उठाए थे उसने, क्योंकि एक में एस्केलेटर ही नहीं था स्टेशन पे.
The plan is कि I have made a very special reservation for an outing जो रात को 10:30 अकॉर्डिंगली प्लान किया था, बट मैंने डिले नहीं पकड़ा था.
9 को 10 कम है अभी.
हाँ, तो इधर से 5 मिनट दूर है.
हाँ.
The next 2 days, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I have gotten a videographer and we are doing a pre-wedding photo shoot and video shoot. दोनों दिन. So then दोनों दिन you have to wear white and
You're
then
doing
ये-
this all of this to throw me off ना. मेरी पूरे 2 दिन में एंजाइटी में गुजारूं, कब होने वाला है, कब होने
ऐसा
वाला
कुछ
है.
किस चीज की एंजाइटी? क्या?
मुझे लगता है मैं इतनी डम हूँ. तू आउट ऑफ नोवेयर तो मेरे को जापान लेके आया है. मेरे को लगता है तू लगता है मैं
अच्छा
इतनी
ठीक
ये
है.
हूँ.
बट फिर प्री वेडिंग करने के लिए लाया मेरे को. प्री
तो
वेडिंग
प्री वेडिंग तो अपन अपने वाले के साथ करने वाले थे ना.
नहीं करने वाले थे अपने वाले के साथ. क्यों?
मेरा प्री वेडिंग का कितना सारा आइडियाज था, तुझे मालूम
ठीक
नहीं है मेरा
है. तो
आइडिया.
2 बार प्री वेडिंग है ये. टुमारो यू कैन गो फॉर व्हाइट, परसों यू कैन गो फॉर ब्लू.
ओके.
ठीक है. एंड
टुडे व्हाट शुड आई वेयर देन?
टुडे आता कुछ भी पहन ले अच्छा सा.
My heart was in my mouth when I saw this setup. I thought it's gonna happen right here, right now, but he was very good at fooling me. It was just a decoy. We had our food, some drinks, and a dessert. He wrote this cute message on the dessert, and yeah, that's it. Moving on to the next day.
So today is the day and I am very excited, very nervous as well. But I've been successfully able to throw Manasi off. I think in the yesterday's clip मैंने already उसको बोला है कि we are doing a pre-wedding shoot. A lot of people will ask me कि क्यों बोला ऐसे कि shoot कर रहे हैं, surprise ही कर देते वहाँ पे जाके and all of that. But I wanted her to wear white because I was wearing white. And second, she's very smart. तो अगर मैं बोलूँ कि कुछ dress up nicely या plus obviously once she sees the lavender field तो उसको समझ जाएगा. But अभी if she sees तो at least उसके दिमाग में ये तो रहेगा कि pre wedding shoot होने वाला है. So that's the reason he has gotten here. मैंने ऐसा पहना है, like I have worn a proper in shirt, white polo and not a shirt, so that she's like यार ये तू पहन रहा है and all of that. And एक बार बहुत पहले बात हुआ था that she wanted me to propose her in a suit. So उसको कहीं भी भनक लगी ही नहीं है कि आई हैव अ सूट और आई एम कैरिंग अ सूट और जो कि मैंने बैग में डाल दिया. सो दैट इज़ द प्लान एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई विल टेस्ट दिस रिकॉर्डर वन लास्ट टाइम. 2.5-3 hours का रोड ट्रिप. आई ऑलरेडी बुक्ड अ प्राइवेट कार एंड एवरीथिंग, तो वो अभी आ जाएगी 20 मिनट में. Manasi is ऊपर getting ready. Photographer will reach there early at around I think 1:32 and we are gonna reach there by at least 3:30. So वहाँ पे वो भी जाके रिकॉन कर लेगा कि क्या कहाँ पे चीज़ है, which is the best spot to do the proposal. And इसको मैंने गर्मी में खड़ा रखा तो अभी आइसक्रीम दिलाया थोड़ा ठंडा होने के लिए. सुंदर दिखते एकदम.
Thanks.
बहुत गर्मी बहुत है बट
गर्मी.
इट्स वेरी हॉट.
एंड ये तुझे रात को समझेगा जब तू स्किन केयर करने जाएगा, वो स्किन पूरी जल जाती है. UV index is 7 which is very high and it's 35 degrees and very humid. So
2 hours later.
So after our long sleep, we are here and मैडम ने बोर्ड तो पढ़ लिया बाहर कि क्या है.
As if I didn't know before this.
How are you feeling in the lavender land? So basically everything is lavender here. It's like from this से लेके the umbrellas, what the caps, ये पीछे जो देख रहे हैं soft
हो
toys
जाऊंगी I feel.
कि अभी शॉप कर लो and then we go आगे.
And then he went and secretly changed into a shirt as if I would understand.
अरे प्री वेडिंग के लिए है ना तो शर्ट तो पहनना ही है ना.
Okay. This looks like a movie scene. I have not edited this footage, you guys. This is actually like the real colors. वहाँ पे lavender है, वहाँ पे colored सारे flowers है. Wow. Not gonna lie, मेरे को बहुत धक-धक हो रहा है. I think I shouldn't be vlogging this. Like, I don't know what to say. For once, I'm speechless on camera. Wow, look at my hair. My makeup is not on point today. I'm not feeling the best. मेरे periods की वजह से मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. But yeah,
What?
I don't like ऐसा height पे roller coaster. क्या कर रहा है?
beautiful
मेरे को बहुत कुछ तो हो रहा है.
क्या हो रहा है? क्या व्यू है देख.
कुछ होता है.
First
राहुल,
time-
तुम नहीं समझोगे.
फर्स्ट टाइम लैवेंडर फार्म देख रहे हैं. देखो तेरा था ना बकेट
मेरा
लिस्ट.
lavender farms पे ध्यान ही नहीं.
अरे ये क्या हाइट है. इधर से गिरे तो भी देख कितना गिरेंगे. ये देख क्या है ये 2 फीट.
भाई उड़ी मारनी है क्या?
मैडम का हील्स मैंने चेंज मतलब शी वॉज वेयरिंग हील्स एंड बिकॉज अभी थोड़ा और लंबा वॉक है
स्लोप
एंड
वाला
इट्स हाँ. हाउ डू यू फील?
नथिंग. Oh my god.
I have prepared something for you. Hi Bub, this is it. Here we are finally and I don't even know where to start. You are by far the greatest thing that ever happened to me in 27 years on this earth. And I'm so blessed that I'm loved not just by anyone, by you, Manasi Bosarkar. In the most selfish way possible, I don't want anyone else to have your heart, feel your touch, be the reason you smile, or whenever whoever hugs you makes you feel at peace. I want to be your last everything. See? How? Tie, with a tie.
You got
Okay.
a new suit?
I did. Bob, like Chandler says, you make me happier than I ever thought I could be. And if you let me, I will spend the rest of my life trying to make you feel the same way. So, Manasi Gosarkar, will you marry me?
Yes. So pretty. I said
She
yes.
said yes.
I think we should have like a lavender bouquet and I hold it like this and then you take a picture of me.
Already done.
Oh, you got it? Preparing to be a husband material. Uh-huh. Smells so good.
Yeah.
Guys. And in the middle
Baga, excitement
of the
baga.
field,
I'm glad and we cried our eyes out. I don't know वो इनके कैमरा में कैप्चर हुआ है नहीं हुआ है. But it was really amazing and she's happy, so I'm happy. And she's just clicking pictures there. So, बग डांस करते हैं छोटे छोटे डांस.
1 hour later.
it's raining, you guys.
Yeah, it has actually become very beautiful
And
very
there is
secluded for
no
yeah.
one, like absolutely एक पंछी भी नहीं है. And this is, thank you. This feels like a dream.
I wanted
like-
this.
मैं लैवेंडर में हूँ, बारिश हो रही है, कोई नहीं है आजू बाजू. I said yes.
Yes, she said yes, guys. She did.
तुझे लगा था मैं नहीं बोलूँगी.
एकदम भाई कुछ
वेडिंग वेन्यू फाइनल हो चुका है, अभी क्या ना बोलूँ मैं.
पहले लैवेंडर कलर देख ले, सोक इन कर ले आइस में. Should have been more rich, but
Yeah, I know. चीज़ें कभी कभी कैमरा पे ढंग से नहीं दिखती जितनी अपनी आंखों को दिखती है, you know. And right now, as you can see, it's gloomy. When it was, the sun was hitting the lavender. Oh my God, it was looking so beautiful. Of course, अभी अगस्त है तो बारिश, जैसे ही हीट कम हो जाता है, color starts fading off.
हाँ मतलब इधर का देखो.
But this smells heavily. Like I wish I could explain the scent to them. Bye bye farms. Until next time.
नेक्स्ट टाइम और रिच वाले में जाएंगे जहाँ पे मुझे लेके जाना था इन जुलाई, बट आई वाज लेट तो मैं इससे नहीं लेके जा पाया.
Yeah.
सो नेक्स्ट टाइम वहाँ पे हम जाएंगे.
So अभी तूने क्या लेसन सीखा?
कि ऑलवेज बी ऑन टाइम
Yeah.
एंड डोंट मेक योर गर्लफ्रेंड मैड अबाउट द प्रपोजल एंड डोंट फाइट विथ हर एंड ऑलवेज लव हर. स्टे मैरिड टू हर ऑलवेज.
So I know you guys must be having a lot of doubts कि सूट कब करा, रिंग कैसे किया, रिंग के डिटेल्स एंड हाउ डिड ही आस्क फॉर परमिशन फ्रॉम माय पेरेंट्स. बहुत सारा फुटेज अभी भी है विच वॉज लाइक द प्रेप बिफोर द प्रपोजल दैट ही डिड ऑल टुगेदर. मुझे कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो सॉ दीज वीडियोज रिसेंटली एंड द फुटेज इज अ लॉट. सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट सिट विथ हिम एंड ही इज द बेस्ट जज टू टेल यू गाइज हाउ ही केम अप विद दिस एंटायर प्रपोजल. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. विद दिस प्रपोजल तो आपने अभी देख लिया, बट उसके पीछे क्या क्या उसने किया है, I think he is the best person to tell you guys. So I am gonna make a sit down video where we both sit down together and talk to you guys and, you know, take you through the entire proposal procedure, prep rather. But you know that he has his job and he doesn't get that much time to shoot videos with me. So he is going to take out some time and we will shoot that video very very soon. I promise कि ये week या next week तक वो video आपको मिल जाएगा. And I also want to thank you guys for showing so much love on Instagram. My heart is full. Our hearts are full. Thank you so much. You guys are like family to me. And I know कि ये video का comment section भी बहुत प्यारे comments से भरने वाला है. Even if I am not able to reply, मैं heart तो दे ही दूंगी. But if I am not able to reply, please understand there are so many comments and there is so much to do. Trust me, there is so much to do. I am gonna reveal more details about the wedding and everything in the upcoming videos. So yeah, as I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.